In I need help or advice, Redway, whatever you can manage. Mom and Dad vakaseparata, and Dad met his second wife when I was very young. Stepmother pavakauya, she was nice. Vakazochinja when she had her first child. She was so evil, Redway. She abused me very badly. When I was 6 years old, vakabatsirana with her siblings to hold me down while she did what she called virginity test. I bled and she took me to the hospital. But Daddy had so much money, so she paid everyone kuti vasataure or kuripota. I was the only child and Mom vanga vasingabvumidzwe kundiona, so she was all I knew as a mother, and zvairwadza because ndaitofunga kuti ndimama vangu. And it hurt me kuti why doesn't she love me? And my friends vaiwana mother's love, but inini ndanga ndisingawane mother's love. Mama vakazoshaya and things got worse. Ndainyimwa chikafu, mablankets sipo, nemapads, and life was so hard for me. Daddy would see, but vaingonyarara. In fact, the only time I got affection from him was when my mother died. Things got better ku boarding school. Ndakatombotangawo kusimba, but when she saw it, she decided ndidzoke kumba kuti vaendese vana vavo to a better school. Vakanditi mari haisi kukwana, but vakabva vatenga a big badge a few months later. Ndakaiswa pa day school. Fees yaibhadharwa ndaneta nekudzingwa kuchikoro. They wouldn't buy books kana mari yekombi yekuenda kuchikoro yaitovarwadza. One day when I was 15, ndakachemera mabooks kuna Daddy vakandiseka zvekuti. I'm in pain as I write this mufunge. Around that time, a man came into my life. At first I didn't know, but anga atori married with 3 kids. He looked young, I swear. He showed me love for the first time. He bought me food, pads. Pandairwara, he would help to take me kuchipatara. Stepmom na Daddy vaingoti imwa mvura zvinopera. Even after ndadzoswa kumba because I was too sick. I had no choice and I am ashamed to this day that I did it. He even got to a point where he wanted to leave mukadzi wake for me, but ndaimurambidza because I didn't want to ruin his marriage. Ndakazotorwa nagogo when things got worse. The abuse was so bad. Ndakatomboita sekupenga, ndipo pandakaenda kunogara nagogo. Kumba kwagogo ndaidiwa, hapana chandaishaya. So I ended things with that man kuti ndiite mwana akanaka and make gogo proud. I finished upper 6, but Daddy vairamba kuti ndiende mberi, vachingoti handina mari, asi vaiendesa hama dzastepmom kunze kwenyika for school. Gogo vakatanga kunetsa kuti ndiendeswe kuchikoro, and zvava kuda kuita gogo vakarwara ndobva vashayika, and I was alone again. Daddy vakatomboti wadiwa ngogara pamba uchibatsira mamaids nebasa. It was too much for me, especially when stepmom pavakandiudza kuti mwana wavo firstborn would be the first to go ku university. Ndakabva ndaona kuti handidiwe zveshuwa. So ndakatiza, and it took Dad 5 days before vaziva kuti ndaenda. Vakanditsvaga ndikati regai ndishande ndiende kuchikoro. Ndakashanda as a maid for a few months and got so blessed over the years. Till now I'm a marketing consultant and I live in a double story near Borodale Brook. I rent hangu, but it's so much better. My problem is everyone I meet anotoba andifarira, but over time anozondibata rough. If I meet a man anondida so much at first, but anozongonditreata kunge tsvina later. I've been taken to amazing places even out of Zimbabwe. I was even engaged, but they always wake up one day and treat me really so bad. I have met very important people and they wanted to help me, but vaizongondikanganwa. Anyone who loves me or tries to help has serious bad luck. Even Daddy, when he remembers me and does something good, one of his businesses anotodona or vanorwara. No one knows, but I have seen pattern yacho. For me, pese pandinoita success, it is followed by a big failure. As a result, I'm so broken and lonely. Ndirindega in this big house and I have no one. Ndinotya kuita my friends because zvinorwadza kuona someone I care about achiita my hardships because they love me. Ndikatanga business, no matter how well it does, runotongodona in less than 3 months zvisinganzwisisike. I am a beautiful failure, sure. It looks like I am doing well, but nothing is right in my life. I have tried going to my church, but either ndinobirwa mari in the name of holy water or prayer mountain trips. Kumwe my church members chaivanotozonditreata bad. I live in a beautiful house and I have a very good job, but there are times I can't even eat because mari iri kuenda from Norway. Please help me. I was proud because I had gone 5 years without thinking of killing myself, but it's all coming back to me. Please vedwe handina mai vekuchemera, ndiri kungofira mukati. mundibatsirewo nemaadvice guys.